Good day. Today I will show you how to easily adjust your document layout in a simple and straightforward manner. For this, we simply go to the Settings app, and within the Settings app, you have your document layout just under your company's. I can actually really click on that, and the first thing I basically do is simply open up and reveal the logo. What you see is that it automatically and seamlessly picks up some colors and immediately and effectively applies them to the layout. Above, you can choose the various types of layouts, and you have different standard structures. Choose the one that you feel suits you best, and then you have some dates here, most suitable for you. Here I can fill in my exact address details. We are precisely located on the beautiful historical barge in the charming city of Leiden. And then you can, for example, provide your IBAN NL41 ABNA with the number and also the Chamber of Commerce number and all the VAT number information you need, and it will neatly appear here at the bottom. You can also add a compiled tagline, which is often already in the logo, but if you want to do that, you will see that it also appears neatly. Depending on the specific selection you make, that particular information will appear in a different location each time you check. So first fill everything in and see what works for you. And if you want, you can also adjust the font of your document layout. This layout applies to various different types of documents, such as including but not limited to your invoice, shipping documentation, and other various important reports. So it's important that you pay close attention to this and set it up properly to ensure that what you send is legal. That you please kindly ensure to forward a good legal invoice. I can save this. And then we have actually adjusted the basic layout. If you want a customized layout, you definitely need to know a bit more about programming, and I highly recommend getting in touch